Every action begins with a decision. Deep within the frontal lobe, a spark ignites. Neurons fire in precise synchrony, transforming intention into electrical language. A thought becomes a signal. The motor cortex activates. Here, movement is mapped with astonishing precision. Electrical impulses surge across neural pathways, encoding direction, force, and timing, preparing the body to act. The signal descends through the brainstem, the ancient bridge between thought, the body, and until the spinal cord. A superhighway of neural communication. Within the spinal cord, bundles of nerve fibers carry to massive at lightning speed of 120 meters per second. Precision, speed, coordination. From the spinal cord, the signal branches outward. Through a vast network of peripheral nerves, it travels into the arms, the hands, the fingerprints. The body prepares to move. At the neuromuscular junction, electricity becomes chemistry. Neurotransmitters across microscopic gaps, triggering muscle fibers to contract. Millions of molecular motors engage, converting intentions into force. Tendons tighten, muscles shorten, the hand closes into a fist. A seamless collaboration of neurons, nerve, and muscles executed in fractions of a second. But movement is only half the story. The moment at the hand touches a surface, sensory receptors awaken. Pressure, texture, temperature. New signals begin their return journey. Electrical impulses race back through peripheral nerves into the spinal cord. Information flows upward carrying the language of sensation. The parental body receives the message. Neural network interrupts the data, translating raw electrical code into conscious experience. You do not just touch the wall, you perceive it. But sometimes speed is everything. Touch something hard and spinal cord acts instantly. A reflex arc bypasses conscious thought, protecting the body before the brain even registers pain. Survival built into circuitry. Beneath awareness, another system works tirelessly. The brainstem regulates heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure. Every breath is correct, every beat of your heart. Together with brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves from the nervous system and amplifiers communicate with the entire body. Billions of the signals travel every second, maintaining balance, motion, and life. From a single spark of thought to the coordinating movement of the entire movement, this is the power of neutral command. Silent, instantaneous. Within the 3 pound universe lies the force that defines who we are, the human nervous system, masters of motion, guardian of survival, architect of experience.